Dakshal Patel and you are watching Test with Dakshal Patel. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. I make tech related videos, so please subscribe my channel. Hello friends, if you are a fan of Dragon Ball Z, then you must watch this video till end. If you are not a fan, then too you must watch this video, because after watching this video you will become its friend. Today I am going to show you the latest game of Dragon Ball Z, how to download it, install it and play it. So first of all, open your Play Store and search Dragon Ball Legends and you will get this game. By the way, I am giving its link in description, so don't forget to check it. Install this game. I have already installed, so I am opening it. It will take some time to load. Till then, I would like to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel. I make tech related videos. So you will get this type of interface. Here in language you have to select English, and in voice also you can select English. And then you have to accept its conditions, terms and conditions. It's downloading some content. Allow it access to photos. Just click on that. Okay, we need to touch the screen. Accept it. Accept all. Accept. And here you can do anything. I am selecting light version. Start a new game. And now it says that you are required to solve one puzzle and then your login process will be completed. So let's solve the puzzle. It's simple one. Okay, it's done. Press OK. And yes, your game is going to start. It says connecting. Okay, now it says that you need to download some files. So I will download it all. After downloading this file, your game is ready to play. So I hope you like the video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.